It's another day and another day to do onion juice, my favorite hair treatment. Today I'm going to use just onion and cayenne pepper. I have videos on this page and I will put them in the corner there so you can have a look at them. Yeah, so guys, this is day 16 of sharing 100 videos on YouTube. And my previous video before this one, I shared a deep conditioner. I was supposed to have posted this one first before that one, but unfortunately, I had to do that one first instead. So this is me using onion juice on my scalp. If you have been on this page, onion juice is one of the most preached herbs I have here. I always talk about onion juice. I'm always preaching onion juice. Use onion juice, use onion juice because of the benefits that I get from it. So I always make sure that I introduce this powerful nutrient to my followers and the people who follow hair growth tips here. So first of all, how do you prepare onion juice? I would want you to watch the first video first, but if you're not able to watch it, it's just pretty simple. You just have to blend your onion, your garlic and cayenne pepper. If you have ginger, if you add ginger, you can add a little bit of ginger and then blend all together. Strain it till it's very smooth, because if it's not smooth you are going to have lots of residues in your hair, and washing them out can be very difficult. Yes, that is the whole point. Now, why is onion something I always use on this page? Well, onion is something that has helped me heal my scalp more than once, several times. Every time I'm having any scalp pain, I know that the only thing I can use is onion. That is the only treatment that helps me. And because I am a DIY natural hair person, I like to use nature, what nature has given us to solve some problems that nature can solve. Yeah. So I just use onion for my scalp. Apart from the fact that onion helps with scalp inflammation, it's also able to promote hair growth. Like, I bet you if you use onion consistently, you notice a significant growth in your hair length. Yes, your length, your thickness, your volume, your strength. You'll notice that onion is able to give you that power that you want into your hair. Yeah, so onion has several benefits, and it's something that if you want to use to grow a bald spot on your hair, you can definitely give it a shot, because it's able to rejuvenate dormant hair follicles very quickly. So using it to grow a bald spot on your hair is something that you can give a shot. Yeah, let's assume you finish making your onion juice and then you are now applying it to your hair. It's a scalp treatment, yes, but it's also able to make your hair very manageable and soft. Yes, a scalp treatment. So once you have everything in your applicator bottle, you apply it into hair in sections. Yes, when you do it in sections, you are able to target particular spots on your scalp. Yes, you are not just random or applying it anyhow. You are able to target very particular spots on your scalp that need those treatments. Yeah, so I always say that do this in sections. You don't have to just try and pour everything on your hair. You're going to regret it. You repeat the same treatment but make it an oil. Yes, I think I'll try and do that one day for all of you to see how to make onion oil for your scalp. Yeah, but for me, I'm doing it for my hair. My scalp needed some treatment. Honestly, my scalp has been through a lot. If you follow me on my other social media pages, you know that I'm always styling my hair, and styling my hair and styling gel, you can imagine, they're always, they're not really good for the scalp, because they end up clogging their pores because of how thick they are. But I have to do it because it's also my job. But then on the other hand, I have to also protect my hair, and that is why I always come here making treatments that I can share with you, so that you can also adopt a thing or two. Yes. So when you apply this on your scalp, you just give yourself a very good massage. Like, onion is something that if I am to choose one thing for the rest of my hair life, I'm going to choose onion. I always tell you guys here, I'm going to choose onion. And the way my hair became very soft, like, guys, I was so impressed. If you haven't tried onion before, you've been following me for a while, please do try it, because you come back with so much reviews. But it's important to do a patch test. Not every skin likes onion. Yes, and I always say this, but majority of skin like onion, but there's always an exception. If you don't react to onion properly, there are other recommendations you can use to balance this. You can still benefit from this. The other time someone asked me if you can use onion powder and garlic powder, ginger powder, and then cayenne pepper, mix all together into a paste, into a hair mask. It was very creative. Like, I thought of it, I'm like, wow, I've never even thought of it. The only thing I think about is onion juice. And I was like, this is a good idea, and I think I would want to try it, making onion paste into a scalp treatment. Like, I will really definitely try. I hope you are getting the concept. You mix onion powder and those other powders together and then use them to make onion paste. Let's see how it goes. Yeah. So my scalp was very dirty and I had some flakes on the scalp because of build up. I didn't give my scalp the opportunity to grow and all that. So I mean not grow, to clean. I didn't clean my scalp often. So there was lots of build up on my scalp. When I say lots, I mean there was so much build up on my scalp. So this was the treatment I needed. This is the treatment you do first before you even go in with a shampoo. You have to do this first because of the pungent smell. It's important to do this before you go in with a shampoo or anything on your hair. So this is like a pre-poo treatment, and then when you're done, you shampoo it to get rid of the smell and all that. So at the end of the video, I'm going to show you the shampoo I use for the hair. It's a mentholated shampoo for dandruff, so it is very drying. Like, even though I did a deep conditioning with oats, that was what held me a bit. But the shampoo is very, very, very drying. It can dry out your hair. The whole point of the purpose of that shampoo is to rip off all the oils on your hair. Yes, because dandruff survive on oil. So if they don't rip off those oils, you are going to get your flake back in no time. So that is what the shampoo does. It's equally good, but just that I just don't like the fact that it is so drying, guys. So after applying everything as you see me do, I went on and then shampooed my hair. And then bingo. First of all, before shampooing the hair, you have to wear a steamer cap because the steamer cap is what does the work. For me, I love steamer caps. It's something that most of us didn't really have an idea of until recent times, that I see a lot of people talking about steamer caps. But steamer cap has always been in the system for the longest time. I think I started taking care of my hair somewhere in 2020, 2021, and steamer cap has always been in the system. And I mean, it's still something we are creating the awareness on. Yeah. So this brings us to the end of this treatment. I want to brush on the importance of onion juice for the hair and how you can use it, how often you can use it, and also some of the benefits you can enjoy from using onion juice. Importance, one of my key importance is onion has anti-inflammatory properties. That is how come it's able to heal your scalp. If you're having any sores, inflammation, pain, I mean, just use onion juice. Yesterday, my mom was complaining about scalp pain because she likes dyeing her hair. She left a dye on her hair for like 3 days. Meanwhile, dye is supposed to be washed out. And then she was complaining about scalp, and I told her that let me do onion juice for her. For her, she doesn't get the concept of putting food in the hair yet. But then gradually try and convince her. Yes. So onion is able to help with scalp inflammation so much. Another thing onion does is able to promote hair growth. Yeah, the nutrients in hair or in onion, one major nutrient is sulfur, and when sulfur is sent to the hair follicles, it sends a message that you need to grow, you need to grow, you need to grow. Yeah, I mean that is how I try to explain it to anyone who is finding it difficult. It's difficult to understand. Another thing is that onion is able to make your hair very manageable. Yes, though it's a scalp treatment, some get to the hair strands itself, and the hair becomes so soft and easy to manage. Yes, and then last but not least, one of the things that I love about onion, I mentioned the anti-inflammatory is able to grow your hair. It's also able to thicken your hair. If you have a brownish hair, using onion consistently can thicken your hair. I mean, it makes the new hair strands coming from your scalp very thick and dense. Yeah, so if you want to naturally thicken your hair, try using onion juice for your hair. You see the white things in my hair is because of gel. Oh, there was so much gel on my hair, and I applied the onion, so it's made it that gave it that funny look. But then, if there were no gels on my hair, you wouldn't have given that white color here. So guys, this is day 16 of sharing 100 videos on YouTube. There have been days that I have slacked, and I try my best to stay consistent. It's not easy at all, and I don't want to use the fact that it's difficult or it's not easy as an excuse not to show up here. So I may slack one or two times, but I always make sure that I always come and show up. At least I need to finish these 100 days of YouTube by June. It's supposed to be in May, but yes, I want to finish latest by June, so that if there are some shortcomings, I'm able to fill those gaps earlier. Yes, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Yes, this on here we have so many videos on hair care you can learn from. You can start doing them by yourself at home, and then key emphasis is on at home. I want you to be able to gain the power of your hair at home. So I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, let me know in the comment section. Here I want my steamer car. I waited for 15 minutes for everything to dissolve or everything to penetrate or marinate, or I don't know the word to use, into the scalp. And after a few minutes, I just took it down. 15 minutes, I took it back out and then went ahead to shampoo my hair with a mentholated shampoo, and I loved it. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.